because up until now there have been 2 fountains. From one I have been drinking a bit real cold nice water, and there is even a sign saying yeah, it's drinkable. So now I'm heading home. I'll be all alone there until 20th. There's not much more I want to do. I want to buy an envelope and I will send somebody some flowers that I have laminated and I will just chill. Nice. As soon as I get the money, I'll drive safely home here. Yeah, when I get the money, I'll buy a rubber boat and I will try to get onto the river just for fun while I end up wet, all water. Oh, I want to wait for the summer maybe. Yeah, this is a stupid plan. I'll go into the woods, it's much nicer. I checked out the surrounding, so there is a wood nearby, 2 on either sides of this valley, sort of flat thing of a valley that we are in right now. There is a bigger wood area, just one path going all through it in a S-curve something. Maybe joggers are on there. It goes uphill and up there, it's real nice. It's called Oitikon. And then like on the other side it's going up to maybe Hönk. Now what was it on the other side? Just a little wood on the north. Oh yeah, north of Schlieren, which is smaller than the one I have in the south. Oh yeah, she lives in Hönk, and uphill there is also a little bit of wood as well. So I'm going straight. No, I have to go up here. No, I have once to go up here. I hope. Yes, I'm correct. You know, here into the left. I turned now. Goes a bit uphill. Little bit, but I'm having troubles. So there is this second-hand shop that we had. I drove by yesterday. Sorry, just because of the video I was not doing the correct stuff. There's a car coming, so I have to go here. I have to go here to the right. There is a restaurant and there is the houses. In one of them I live on, very 60s style, very old, blocks, as we call them, buildings, like all square and old, and even the kitchen and everything. But yeah, the stuff in the bathroom too, a little bit strange. But yeah, here we are. Maybe I take the bicycle up. So now it's safer if I check the bike. Because I need to take it with me. For maybe a week or just to see. It made clicks like this. So heavy. I tell you. One more. So boring. This was difficult. There it is. Here I am. Washing I'm doing. My abode. Be my guest. Yes, that's not the lamp, that's the water filter. There is no light installed. It's room for me. I love it so much. I have real bad feet, but I need to go first. Wash the feet. Then I go and show you the outside balcony. That one has got to go. It's so warm in here, even though it has no heating. That's so funny about this place. It's a friend's place. Nepali man is gone for a while. So this is the balcony. What you see houses. Some street, it's cold. I'll let the coldness come in. in a while.